Hello everyone, I am Mantesh Karjar. I am going to discuss on the topic Articles of Association. We are discuss about the Articles of Association. What is Articles of Association? Articles of Association form a document that specifies the regulation for a company's operations and defines the company's purpose. The document lays out how tasks are to be accomplished within organization, including the process for appointing directors and the handling of financial records. Importance of Articles of Association. First one, binding on members in their relation to the company. The members are bound to the company by the provisions of the articles just as much as if they had all put their seals to them. Next one, binding on company in relation to members just as members are bound to the company. The company is bound to the members to observe and follow the articles. Next one, neither company nor members bound to outside articles. The members to the company and company to the members, but neither to them is bound to an outsider to give effect to the articles. And next one, binding between members enters the articles define rights and liabilities of the members. As between members enters the articles consistent a contract between them and one also binding on each members as against the other. Such contract can be enforced only through the medium of the company. The Articles of Association must include provisions regarding the following. First one, company name. The company name of a private limited liability company must include the words limited liability company. A Finnish municipality as the company's place of business. A company may practice into activities in several places and also abroad, but its registered place of business can only in one Finnish municipality. The company field on activities. The team field of activity refers to the in which the company carries in business activities. Share capital. The minimum amount of private limited liability company's share capital is 2500. Nominal value and number of shares. The nominal value of the Articles of Association, all shares must have the same nominal value. Notice of a general meeting of shareholders. The Articles of Association may the manner in which and when the notice so the annual general meeting of shareholders must be given. The agenda of the annual general meeting. The Articles of Association may state the agenda of the annual general meeting. And next, other provisions. And accounting period of the company. Alteration of articles. First one, alteration against memorandum. Alteration against memorandum. A resolution was passed in a general meeting of a company altered the articles by inserting the power to issues. And second, alteration in a breach of contract. A company may charge its articles even if the alteration would operates a breach of contract. Third, alteration as proved to on minority shareholders. An alteration must not constitute on the minority. It should not be an attempt to deprive on the company or its minority shareholders of something that in equally belongs to them. Alteration increase liability of members. No alteration can require a person to purchase more share in the company or to increase his liability in any manner except with his consent in writing. In these types of companies to have their own articles. First one, unlimited companies. Unlimited companies, it is articles must state the number of members with which the company is to be registered along with the amount of share capital. Second, companies limited by guarantee. The article must define the number of members with which the company is to register. Third, private company limited by shares. The private company having the share capital, then the articles must contain the provisions that restrict the rights to transfer shares, limit the number of shares, is to invitation to the public for the further subscriptions of shares in form of shares or debentures. Conclusion: it is a settled company law principle that the articles of association of a company cannot override the provisions of the Companies Act 2013. Further, the articles of association of a particular company are also bound to observe the memorandum of association of the company, as the articles are subordinate to the character which is the memorandum of the company, as well as any other company law in force at that time. Thank you.